Yeah, today I'm making some pepper pot soup. Yes, guys. I've never made this soup. I used to see my mom make it and it used to taste so good. Somebody requested it, so I just said to myself, let me make some today. Not sure how it's gonna taste, but I'm gonna make it. So I'm cutting up my pigtail here. And here, and I have some salt beef too. So here I have my callaloo that I picked from the garden. Yeah, I cut them in bite size. I'm gonna scald them off because, as you know, they're salty. Them to soak, but I know they're not soaked enough, so I'm gonna scald them. So I let them scald for about 10 minutes. I'm just cleaning up the callaloo, stripping all these out ahead. Sprinkle some salt over it to get rid of any bugs or any pesticides. That's all. So I just put a little water in there.
And this is her quick pot.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the cooking time with this. I'm just gonna put them in there for about 15 minutes. Just to soften them. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some thyme in there because you want to give the pot some flavor. And I like to just crush my scallion like that. Drop some and put a few pimento berries in there. Garlic. Big half garlic. You know you want to spice up the pot to make it taste good.
Alright, so she put it in the pressure cooker.
16, 15. I just need a cup of flour, not a lot. Alright, so I'm going to put some cornmeal, a little bit of salt over there, not too much. I'm going to set this aside. In Jamaica we call it cocoa. I'm going to put this in some water.
Well, is that what helps it so it doesn't change color?
Oxidize, yes. Sweet potato.
And the yellow yam now.
Oh, so I have a couple pieces of turkey in here just to give it a nice flavor, you know. This is not a must, but I just want to put it in there because I just like the taste. Okay. So I'm just going to go in with some of my callaloo. Yeah, yeah. It's cooled off now. Oh, it smells so good. I have to put my spinners in. Now I let it cook some more and then I come back and season it up. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to put my coconut milk in there. And if you don't have callaloo to bake this, you can also use spinach to do it. Maybe kale or, you know, green stuff. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in there. Alright, so this is the thyme. And this is the scallion. So this is onion powder, all-purpose seasoning salt, and the adobo. My scotch bonnet pepper on the top there. I don't want it to burst. Alright, so I'm going to cover this up and let it steam. And then I'm going to go in with my okra because it's almost finished now. And I don't want the okra to crush out in there either, so that's why I wait for the last. So I'm just going to give this another 5 minutes and then I'm going to taste it and see if it needs anything else, any salt or anything. Let me take the pepper out too because I don't want the pepper bursting there. Final taste and see. And this is pretty much ready. The yam. Spinners. Guys, this is for my daughter. She don't want a lot. She just want to try it to see how it tastes. Okay, so there you have it right there.
Thanks, Mom. I'm about to try it. Oh my God.
Hey, what do you think, Tommy?
It's so good,
It's
Ma.
good, right?
Yes.
Oh, all right.
Yes. That's so good. Thank you so much, Ma.